Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 14C 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now slide upward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press the power and volume up key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you in main menu Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. You can see reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant, and safe mode is available. Now simply go to wipe data and confirm, and here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here go to wipe all data and confirm, and guys, you can see read it carefully. Confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Okay, kindly wait. And you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi 14C 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.